Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one free, refrigerator. It is brand wise Samsung inverter system, digital inverter system, 10-year warranty compressor, Samsung brand, made in Korea. It's having problem. The customer, we went to the customer house. It is not making at all cool because we checked by ourselves. It is we found inside already ice form too much. Because of that we collected to our workshop. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to repair the unit. Before repair I will show you what is the problem exactly. Now I have to open the here and I'm going to open now. And here we can open. And two screws are here and also here. Now we can remove this one, and here you can see it's too much ice form. Now we have to remove this ice all. After that only we can check. We have to check 2-3 items. Actually, if it is happening like that, we have to check first of all the fan motor working or not. After that, defrost sensor, control assemble, and also heater, drain heater. Everything we have to check. Because of that, first of all, we have to remove the ice. After that, we can find out. This is very hard ice, but be careful. This one, while you are going to remove ice, don't do that like that. Take the heat, something heater. It's huge ice. Very careful. You have to remove the ice. The evaporator coil will damage. Hose will damage. After that, it's double punishment it will come to us. Very careful, we have to remove the ice. Now we can remove this one, the front panel we can remove. Here connectors are here. It's together coming, all 3 connectors. Now we can take like that, keep it up very safely. Now see, here too much ice. To remove ice with the ball lamp. You can, otherwise damage will it will damage evaporator coil. Because of that I am going to melt like that. This one also we have to do carefully because all the harness assembles, it will get chance defects. Don't burn wires and all. Udah aku milih tuh nih. What I see. थोड़ा मेरे टोन का बहुत करेगा. Now all the ice already melted. No any more ice here. Now we have to check. First we have to check this BLDC fan. This is DC fan motor. We have to check fan motor working or not with the power. I will connect the connector, fan motor connector. Now we will give the power connection. After that we can check the fan motor working or not. I given power connection now. Yes, fan motors, no any issue. Okay. Fan is working. Now this type of ice forming we have to check. First of all, we have to check the fan motor. After that, heater and thermal fuse, otherwise defrost controller, also the cooling sensor. These 4 items we have to check internally. If it is anything defect, we have to replace the new parts. Now we will check the heater and thermal fuse, otherwise defrosting controller and cooling sensor. Now I will disconnect again this one. Now it is 100% confirmed. Fan motor is okay, no any issue. Now we have to check here heater. This connection is for the heater, and this one thermal fuse, defrosting control assemble, and also here cooling sensor. These 3 items now I am going to check. First I will here cut this one, and I will remove the connector here. Like this will come. Also heater connection here. These two connection for the heater, and we can disconnect this one here. Like this we can do separate. We can separate here. And this, and like this we can do separate here. This is sensor, also same like this here, also heater, and we can do like that. Now it's okay, I separate. I did this one control assemble, defrosting control assemble, I remove like that. Now very easy to check. Now I am going to check. One by one, and thermal fuse. Is continuity showing. Also heater. Heater is okay, showing ohms 336.3. It's mean heater is okay, no problem. and now I have to check the sensor. It's not showing sensor. It's not showing. It should show. Now I'm going to remove the sensor here. Here, lock. Like this we can remove, and we will take it out. And this sensor we have to change. This is the problem. I'm having same sensor here. This is same sensor. Now I'm going to replace this one. This is defect one. This is good one. New one. I will check again this sensor. Yes, it's showing. Continuity is showing microohms 4326, like that showing. This one we will replace. And we will fix again here. It will come like that. Now I'm going to refix again all the connectors together. You can fix like that. Also this one. Now I'm going to fix this one here. Let's come like that. Now this is thermal fuse. I have to connect. This way. Also heater connector here. And I'm going to use cable tie here. This one we have to fix here because while running time fan motor is chance to come stuck with the fan motor with the harness. Now Now our job is done already, perfect, and it's not coming again, it's not forming ice. Also we have to explain to the customer this regulator, about the regulator. If it is customer keeping number 5, it's already forming ice here again, because the down duct it's already closing. Because of that we have to keep number 3 medium. Thanks for watching my channel again, and we will meet with another video. Thank you again.